I'll demonstrate a men's hairstyle for you. Using a texturizing to cut technique to cut the hair length, ensuring a natural look without weight lines at the hair ends. Watch closely as I open and close the scissors repeatedly until I achieve the desired length. This is the texturizing to cut technique. I trim the hair ends at the top section. Using two Vern texturizing scissors with different tooth counts, I combine them to adjust the hairstyle's volume. With each cut, one scissor will work at the hair roots, and the other in the middle of the hair, providing support and dimension to the hairstyle. And there you have it, the hairstyle is complete. Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern Scissors? Get more details in description.